Okay, so I just finished my model engine that came in the mail. It looks really cool. So there's the company. There's the one that I have. And here it is. I'll start it up for you. It runs on electric. You see the motor right here? It runs on electric instead of gasoline. There's the battery. The motor that turns it on the flywheel. Right there, as you can see. Then you have your switch up here. Off and on. You have your charging port there. And yeah, let's fire it up. There you go. This is the model engine. Looks really cool. In the pistons there. You see the crankshaft, pistons, valves. Get up in there. There you go. So that's what I made today. Instead of doing, I did some squirt, but that's what I did today. Looks pretty cool. Super stoked. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.